A very warm welcome back to Emotions and Stories. Today, we again discuss a very strong emotion, stress. The name of the story, The Weight of Expectations. Delhi, the city of dreams and chaos, hummed with relentless energy. Skyscrapers gleamed under the winter sun, and streets echoed with the honking of impatient cars. Amid this frenzied backdrop, 32-year-old Arjun Mishra fought a daily battle against stress that seemed to have seeped in every corner of his life. Arjun worked as a senior software engineer at a reputed IT firm in Gurugram. From the outside, he was the poster child of urban success. An enviable job, a well furnished apartment, and a sleek car parked in the basement. But within, his life was a ticking time bomb of stress, waiting to explode. His mornings were a race against the clock. The alarm would buzz at 6:30, dragging him out of a restless sleep. He would hastily gulp down a cup of tea, scan the headlines on his phone, and mentally brace himself for the 90-minute commute through Delhi's infamous traffic. By the time he reached the glass and steel of his building, his mind was already cluttered with a barrage of pending tasks. At work, the expectations were unrelenting. Deadlines were tight, client calls were endless, and his inbox never seemed to be empty. His manager's passive aggressive reminders about stretching targets only added fuel to fire. Arjun often skipped lunch, settling instead for a quick cup of vending machine coffee. By evening, he was physically drained but mentally wired, unable to disconnect even after shutting down his laptop. Weekends, once a source of solace, had become an extension of his work life. Just a few emails, he'd tell himself, but the hours would slip away. His family in Lucknow often complained about his infrequent visits and hurried phone calls. Even his friends in Delhi had stopped inviting him to gatherings, tired of his last-minute cancellation. One evening, Arjun sat in his car during yet another traffic jam. A sudden tightness gripped his chest. His hands trembled and his breath quickened. Panicked, he pulled over, convinced he was having a heart attack. At the hospital, the doctor reassured him that it wasn't a cardiac issue, but a severe anxiety attack. "You need to slow down, Arjun," the doctor advised. That moment was a wake-up call. Arjun knew he couldn't go on like this. The next day, he took a small but crucial step. He reached out to his therapist. The sessions were initially uncomfortable, but over time they became a safe space for him. He could unpack his feelings without judgment. Arjun also began making incremental changes to his routine. He started meditating for 10 minutes every morning, replaced his late night coffee with herbal tea, and set boundaries at work by not checking emails after 8 pm. On weekends, he explored the Lodi garden trails, rediscovering the joy of walking amidst nature. A few months later, Arjun was far from perfect, but he was learning to manage his stress. He realized that urban life's pressure would always be there, but his response to them could change. The same city that had once felt suffocating now seemed a little more forgiving, as Arjun reclaimed his time, one mindful moment at a time. Thank you guys for listening to us yet again. Hope to see you back soon. Please do like, share and subscribe.